Hello guys and welcome. Huawei is sending a new software update for the Huawei P30 Lite that runs MUI 10. This software update brings new security patches released in March 2021 and fixes two critical 13 high and 132 medium levels of software threats. According to the changelog, the Huawei P30 Lite is receiving this latest security patch with MUI 10 version 10.0.0.454 and an update package size of 130 megabytes. This rollout for Huawei P30 Lite is still in early stage, and it is expanding in batches. Also, the MUI version and size may vary depending on the region and country. If you have new information to share, please send it on screenshot at huaweicentral.com. If you want to download this software update, open the Settings menu, tap on System and Updates. Open Software Update and then tap on Check for Updates. If an update is available, you can download it by pressing Download and Install. After the installation, the device will reboot and set up your phone for the first use. On the other hand, you can also request a software update through the Support tab. To do this, open the Support tab, tap on the Service tab, click on the Update button, tap on Check for Update. If an update is available, click on Download and Install. After that, reboot your device. That's it for now. Until next time, be connected. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, and press the bell icon to get notified on our latest video. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and join our Telegram channel for fastest notification on the latest news. And don't forget to visit huaweicentral.com.